What if you could build an AI that doesn't just chat, but actually acts? It browses the web, writes files, runs code, and makes decisions on its own. That's not science fiction. That's an AI agent. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build one in Python. Here is exactly what we will cover. First, what makes an AI agent different from a regular chatbot. Then, the core architecture every agent uses, the perception reasoning action loop. We will write an agent that can search the web, read files, run terminal commands, and use an LLM to decide what to do next. And finally, how to deploy it so it runs 24/7. A chatbot takes your message and returns text. An agent takes your goal and returns results. The difference is autonomy. An agent has access to tools, it can search the internet, run calculations, create files, and an LLM brain that decides which tool to use and when. Think of it as a smart assistant that figures out the how, not just the what. Every AI agent runs on the same core loop. First, it perceives, it reads the user's request and any information from its environment. Second, it reasons, the LLM thinks about what needs to happen and decides which tool to call. Third, it acts, the agent executes the tool, gets a result, and feeds it back into the loop. This continues until the goal is complete. The brain of your agent is an LLM. We will use OpenAI's API because it is widely available and supports function calling, which is how the agent signals which tool it wants to use. Install the OpenAI package with pip, set your API key as an environment variable, and create a client. The key detail is the messages array. It holds the conversation history, system prompt, and importantly, the tool results that come back. Tools are just Python functions with a JSON schema that tells the LLM what they do and what parameters they need. Here is a web search tool. The schema describes it as search the web for a query with a required query string parameter. When the LLM decides to call this tool, it returns a JSON object with the function name and arguments. Your code matches that to the real Python function and executes it. Here is where the magic happens. You send the user message plus your tool definitions to the LLM. If the response has a tool call, you extract the function name and arguments, run the actual Python function, and append the result back into the messages array as a tool role message. Then you send it all back to the LLM for the next reasoning step. This back and forth is the agent loop in action. A single tool is useful, but real power comes from tool composition. Add a read file tool, a write file tool, and a run code tool. Now your agent can read your project files, search the web for documentation, write patches, and even test them by running code. The LLM orchestrates these tools in sequence, chaining them together to accomplish complex tasks you would normally do by hand. Real agents fail. The API times out, the search returns nothing, the file does not exist. Your agent needs to handle these failures and try again or ask the user. Wrap tool calls in try except blocks and return a friendly error message as the tool result. The LLM will see the error and decide what to do, retry with a different approach, ask for clarification, or apologize and stop. This resilience is what separates a demo from a production agent. The loop we built so far runs once per request. To make it autonomous, wrap it in a while loop with a maximum iteration count so it never runs forever. Add a system message that defines the agent's personality and constraints. And crucially, save conversation history to disk so the agent can resume where it left off after a restart. This turns a script into a service. The final step is deployment. Wrap your agent in a fast API server with a single endpoint. Accept a goal, return updates as the agent works. Use server-sent events or WebSockets to stream the thinking process live. Deploy on a cheap VPS or a free-tier cloud instance. Use Supervisor or Systemd to auto-restart on crashes. Now your agent runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, working on whatever tasks you give it. You now have the complete blueprint. The perception reasoning action loop, tool definitions, error handling, continuous operation, and deployment. The code for a full working agent is linked in the description. Clone it, add your own tools, and see what your agent can do. The barrier has never been lower. Start building today. If this helped you understand how AI agents work under the hood, hit like and subscribe. I publish new tutorials every week on building AI systems from first principles. Next up, adding memory to your agent so it learns from past conversations. Drop a comment with what tool you would give your agent first. I read everyone.